Let me just give.
I got arrested.
Don't cut me off. Let me say a few things.
Huh?
All right, this is the matter of State versus Henry. It's under warrant W-2026-95-0814. Counsel, your appearances for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jacqueline Cavan on behalf of the state.
Becca Donnarumma on behalf of Mr. Henry.
Thank you. So the state's filing a motion seeking to detain Mr. Henry. Is the state prepared to proceed with that motion today?
Your Honor, that's going to be a state request for a postponement. I initially was asking for 3 days, but I think that I received some of the information I was looking for. So I'm just going to ask the 2-day postponement.
Ms. Donnarumma, anything you'd like to add before I explain what's going to happen?
No, I appreciate Ms. Caban getting us the discovery as quickly as possible. And Mr. Henry, I will be your lawyer on Monday and argue for you to be released then.
Can I speak to you, please, Your Honor? I meant my lawyer, please, in the break room, please.
Sir, today I do not have the ability to speak to you. We did.
Your Honor, can I please say one thing? I'm sorry. No. I'm so sorry.
Just hang on then, okay? Let me just give. Don't cut me off. Let me say a few things. Anything that you say right now is not going to change what's happening because the state has the right to do it, and they have to do it because they didn't have discovery. Now, I'm going to represent you in 2 days, and I want to hear what you want to say, but I don't want you to say it here in front of everybody. It's not.
Your Honor, can I please say something, please? I mean, lawyer, please. Monday.
But now, I'll give you an opportunity if you still want to say something. But let me say something first.
I just feel like I know my charges and I know what's going on. But when I went to court on Monday, they detained me for 3 days. They said they detained me for 3 days because of the prosecution suggested 3 days for my remandment, and they told me to come back Thursday for my disorderly persons and the TRO.
Yeah,
I
understand all of that. I do understand all of that. But let me explain to you what has to happen. There's a law, there's a statute that governs these proceedings, these detention hearings. And that law gives both sides the opportunity to ask for an adjournment. The state has an opportunity, the defense has an opportunity to ask for an adjournment so they can get more information, which is exactly what happened here. The state collected information, they need to give that to your attorney so she can look at it and she can talk about it with you. And that way I get everything about the case.
Okay, Your Honor, fine, that's cool.
But let me say one more thing, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but let me just say one more thing. I understand that you were here 3 days ago. That was your first appearance. At that point, the state filed a motion to detain you. That happens 3 days later, which is today. This would be the motion for today. That law gives both sides an opportunity to adjourn from today, and so they can get the information that they need for the hearing. So there's nothing wrong with what's happening. It's all according to the law. And frankly, there's absolutely nothing your attorney could say or do that can take that right away. There's nothing I can say or do that can take that right away. And understand, sir, and I'm just going to repeat what your attorney said, then I'll just talk if you want to. Anything you're saying here, it's all being recorded. And anything you say can be used against you later on. If your attorney talks, that can't be used against you. But anything you say can. So just be aware of that before you speak. So is there something?
Okay, Your Honor, can I please talk to my lawyer in the break room, please, for 1 second?
Sir, no. I have a list today. Call me. That's what I was trying to tell you earlier, but you kept cutting me off. Not Your Honor, Rebecca. I'm speaking.
I'm sorry, Miss Rebecca. I'm so sorry.
So just listen for a second. Ask the social worker. His name is John DeSant. To give you a call, to allow you to call your lawyer, Rebecca, in the Gloucester office. He knows me very well. You have a right to it. Do it between now and Monday. We can talk.
I can't call on weekends, sir. I'm already missing work. I just got hired.
Today's Thursday. We have all day tomorrow. Call me.
My restraining order got dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Attorney, I just want to speak to who can help me. Please.
It's me, and I'm telling you, I'm giving you instructions on how.
I understand, Miss Rebecca.
Okay.
I understand.
So call me tomorrow.
I don't even know the circumstances of my charges and why I have to be detained.
If you call me tomorrow, I can tell you all of that.
At least can you, prosecutor, can you please postpone till tomorrow, please? So, please, because I'm going through a lot right now. I just had a job that I was supposed to be on Monday, starting my night shift, and then hopefully I can still get into my job.
Your Honor, may I request that we mute my client? I do not want him to say any more on the
Well,
record.
at this point, Mr. Henry, there's absolutely nothing more to talk about. I'm postponing the matter pursuant to the state request for next Monday. That's when it's going to be heard. That's
I know, but so what happened with today, Your Honor?
You're going to be detained until Monday when the matter can be heard.
Why Monday? I thought it was going to be heard on Thursday. Why do I have to wait an additional 5 days?
Sir, the whole point of this hearing is to determine whether you should be released or not. There's a possibility that you're not released at all. That's the whole point of these hearings. That's why you want to have your attorney know everything about the case so she can better prepare. You can talk to her, but you can't do it today because my list is very big and she doesn't have time to do that. But you can call her tomorrow and she will speak to you.
But that's why they told me on Monday that Thursday was the day that I can go over with my public defender the case.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I didn't even, that's what I thought.
I'm telling you right now it's going to have to be tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm telling you right now it's going to have to be tomorrow because she's busy. She's got to deal with other cases that are in front of her.
Okay, I respect that. Can we postpone the matter till tomorrow and I'll give my lawyer a call today?
The answer is no, sir. It's being postponed until Monday.
Prosecutor, can you please
Mr. Henry,
for today?
Mr. Henry, I'm stopping the matter right now. You can be excused from the booth.
There's no way I'll be sitting here, sir. I'm going through things, bro. It's not fair. I didn't even get a chance to talk and be detained.
Mr. Henry, please leave the booth. You're going to get a contempt order or a touch order to pull you out. Just leave on your own accord and call me tomorrow.
Your Honor, that means I got to stay for the weekend, Your Honor. Y'all releasing people with gun charges and shit. I'm innocent.
Really?
I'm innocent. I didn't touch nobody. The TRO is dismissed.
May I request that we mute the booth because I don't want him to continue speaking and I'm not in person to be able to have better client control or to whisper.
How can I tell you?
Mr. Henry, I have no problem
Thank
muting
you so much.
Mr. Henry, I'm asking you again. I can't hear what you're saying. Please excuse yourself from the booth.
Don't escalate it, Mr. Henry. No one can hear you. You're muted. Just leave the booth and call me tomorrow. Don't escalate this situation. Don't make it worse.
Mr. Henry, you're muted. We can't hear a word you're saying. The matter's is filed at this point. You need to leave the booth, please, sir. Isaiah, I don't know if you want to ask one of the officers to ask Mr. Henry to please leave the booth.
They should be on their way, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Isaiah.